Guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a fun Giant NYX eye pencil. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please do so for more fun DIYs, and if you enjoy this video, please click that like button. So here is the regular size version of the Jumbo NYX Eye Pencil. To get started on this DIY, you'll need a mailing tube that is 18 inches long or 1 inch by 18 inches like this. Carefully remove the sticker first. You can also use the other end. My other end was a little bit dirty, so that's why I had to use this end. Next, I just marked off at 11 inches. I wrapped a piece of painter's tape on the 11-inch mark, and this will just be my guide so I can cut a straight line. I took my X-Acto knife and cut out around the mailing tube. Here is mine once it was cut out. Then I just removed the tape and I took the cap from the other end and placed it on the longer end that I just cut. To make the cap for my pencil, I'm going to use this paper straw container, and I got this in the dollar bin at Target. I removed some of the label. I didn't remove it all because I will be cutting off the bottom portion. I marked off at 3.5 inches. I did the same thing with the painter's tape. I wrapped it around and then I cut it out with an X-Acto knife. Here is my piece once it was cut out, and it should fit over the mailing tube like this. Next, I printed out the labels. I will leave a link down below to where you can print these out. You can print it out on plain white paper or sticker paper. And here is the sticker paper that I used, and I will leave a link for this below as well. Next, I took the mailing tube and I marked off at 1 3/4. Once the printables are cut out and cut down to size, decide which one that you would like to use. I'm going to use the sticker version, and I just peeled the backing off and stuck it on the line that I just marked at 1 3/4. For the next part, I took the plastic cap and I marked off at 3 1/4. I wrapped some painter's tape around it, and then with a black Sharpie, I went around that to make a black line. After I removed the tape, here is what I was left with. And to put this all together, for the last part, you will need some jumbo chalk like this. Choose the color that you would like your eye pencil to be. Now just cut off the top part of the chalk. Place the piece of chalk that was just cut out into the cap of the mailing tube, and it will fit really tight and it won't fall out. And that is how you make this fun Giant NYX eye pencil. Of course, you can't really use it on your eye, but it's great for storage or just to sit in your room. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I would love it if you gave it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know which other giant makeup videos you would like to see. Until next time, I hope you guys all have an amazing day.